background right there is synchronizing. Hello everyone, we're going to unbox Philips Hue. What is this one? Bridge? Okay, what does it do?
It links basically to the the connection between the internet and your Philips light. For the light, like for example, you want in the morning you want to have like a very slow sunrise to wake up and stuff like that, or you can have, let's say in the morning you want to have more of a cold blue light that you wake up, and maybe in the evening you want more of a warm reddish light to calm down.
Okay, my question is how many bridge you need in a house? Only one?
Only one, and I think you can connect up to this 50 lights.
What is this? Sync box.
The sync box, basically it reads your video signal. For example, if there's a sunrise on the picture and there's, let's say, orange there, it will be orange
surroundings
there.
will be orange.
If it's red there, it will be red there. So if there's a thunderstorm or explosion, let's say there's a thunder, of course, then it will also light up and so on.